Welcome to this tutorial on how to transfer money using Monzo. Monzo is a digital bank that allows you to manage your finances easily and securely. To transfer money using Monzo, you will need to have the Monzo app installed on your smartphone and be connected to the internet. First, open the Monzo app and log into your account using your username and password or fingerprint recognition. Once you are logged in, you will see your account balance and a list of your recent transactions. To transfer money, tap on the Pay button at the bottom of the screen. Next, select the account you want to transfer money from. You can choose from your main Monzo account or any other accounts you have linked to your Monzo app. Enter the amount you want to transfer in the recipient's details, including their name and account number. You can also add a reference or note to the transfer, which can be helpful for keeping track of your transactions. If you are transferring money to someone you have paid before, their details will be stored in your Monzo app, making it easier to send money to them in the future. You can also use the Monzo app to pay businesses or friends using their Monzo account by searching for their name or username. Once you have entered all the necessary details, review the transfer to make sure everything is correct. Check the recipient's details, the amount, and any references or notes you have added. If everything is correct, tap the Pay button to confirm the transfer. Monzo will then process the transfer and send the money to the recipient's account. You will receive a confirmation message once the transfer has been completed, and the recipient will also receive a notification. You can view the transfer in your transaction history, along with any other payments you have made using your Monzo account. It is essential to keep your Monzo app and account information up to date to ensure secure and successful transfers. Make sure to regularly update your app and be cautious when entering recipient details to avoid any errors. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily and securely transfer money using Monzo.